Welcome to my channel. On this video we are going to advertise our YouTube video on Google Ads. For that, first we need to search for Google Ads, and after that we need to click this link. So for the first time we need to sign up for the Google Ads, and after that you need to sign in. After signing in, you will get a page like this, plus icon that create the new campaign. Just click on it, and after that click on create a campaign without a goal guidance. Click it, and then select video, and then select custom video campaign and click continue. And for campaign name whatever you like. Just I'm giving an example. And for the campaign total, the budget, you need to at least 100 rupees, and select a date for 3 or 2 days, and check the daily budget, and choose your location, and choose your languages. And for the ad group, name as you like. In my case I am just giving examples. And select your age, select your viewers age, and after that audience is very important. Select your audiences according to your video. In my case I am advertising a tech video, so I am giving interest according to tech videos. Choose according to your videos, otherwise you will not get any impressions or video views. Bidding at least 0.35 rupees, and this is the place where we paste our videos. Get our videos shareable link, get shareable link and paste it here, and choose video discovery ad if you want your ad to be like this, and give a name for the headline. It should not be contain any symbols or any brand name like Apple, OnePlus, like that. And try to put some catchy words. In my case I'll give you an example, and type according to your video. Then you need to give your ad name. Just give whatever you like, and then click create campaign. After that click to continue to campaign. Now your video is under review. After a few hours your video will be approved and your ads will be running if everything works correct. Thank you for watching, guys.